So we're here now, trying to clean up. We're now cleaning all of it, and then later on I'm going to arrange it, and then I'm gonna show you again. We're brushing the tiles, and see that. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. So this is how it looks now. We're done cleaning and rearranging the plants. See what happened to my Valentine's flower. I spray a poison because there's a bunch of ants in there, so I couldn't stand with it. So I remove it. And see? And I also fix this. Yay. This is my Burl Max, my Aglonema. There you go. And see, some of these plants is actually under the sun before, but they don't like it there. It seems they don't like it there, so I transfer here, hoping that they will go back to the normal, you know, because before this is inside of the house and I moved this outside, and this is what happened. It seems they don't like it to be out under the sun. And this is our helper. Thank you, my love. He brushed all of it.